Don't you love how your organization's newsletter, website, and app are as customized as your Netflix queue? How all the information that's most interesting and relevant to you is right at the top waiting to be enjoyed? Of course you don't. That's because it's not. But it could be. Let me show you. Hey there, I'm Perry, the Cerkl Personalization Fairy. I help Cerkl save communicators time while increasing audience engagement. Here's how it works. Cerkl grabs up all of your existing content, think website, intranet, events, and video content, and brings it all into our magical personalization engine. Ta-da! Then Cerkl delivers each member of your audience a personalized version of your content on email, personalized, intranet, personalized, and mobile, personalized. Cerkl saves you 40 hours a month. It sounds like magic, but it's not. It's super real, unlike these wings. Let Cerkl show you how to save time while increasing audience engagement. Request a demo at cerkl.com.